Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about three new changes with MyFICO and Credit Karma that I think will piss you off. These are a couple things that I've been noticing, in the last couple, 3 months, actually. So, not long ago, I used to see things like this happen, and I just thought it was something random. I thought it was maybe an issue with this person's credit report or whatever, but I've been noticing it a lot more lately here. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's get straight into it. So for those who don't know, I am a certified FICO professional, and of course, the owner of 850 Club Credit Consultation. And in short, we help people improve their credit scores, lower their car payments, and qualify for home ownership. I know you guys don't care about that, but I thought I'd put that out there. So either way, let's talk about what you came to see. So to the right of you, you are seeing a screenshot of one of my clients where we were actually able to get some collections removed. Now, it's very rare that I never show videos with collections getting removed. You never see me have any video titles talking about collections being removed. And the reason why I'm talking about that is simply because, when you start saying that you can get items removed, people want you to make things go away. And I'm not saying that we don't get items removed, because clearly we have done it before. The problem is that it's more so setting the right expectations. But in short, this particular client, we was able to get some items removed from their credit report. And as you guys can see at the very top, it shows that the score actually went down. Now, I tell people all the time, for one, some things come off, some things don't. But of course, the assumption would be, and I know it says four changes to your Equifax credit report. You guys can probably see that about right there. But I said that to say, because there is a change just like right up under here. It was another collection that had gotten removed. My point is, okay, that the score actually went down because negative items came off. Isn't that crazy? Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Well, Calvin, that's Credit Karma. Banks don't use Credit Karma. Credit Karma sucks. Credit Karma is not accurate. Let's break that down very quickly. First off, Credit Karma is 100% accurate because it has its own algorithm. And so, with this own algorithm, it's up to banks and financial institutions to use that algorithm. Less than 10% of lenders actually use the Vantage 2.0, I'm sorry, 3.0, 4.0 algorithm, which is used by Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, Credit Wise, Wallet Hub, Identity IQ, so on and so forth, even Privacy Guard. Okay. In short, this particular platform, I know what you're thinking. You're saying, Calvin, that's just Credit Karma is always messed up. Well, let's go ahead and go to your favorite, which 90% of lenders use myfico.com. So let's go ahead and talk about it. A new collection has been added to your credit report. And this is recent, guys. This is from March 6th. And this is when not when I first started seeing it, but I've been starting to notice a trend. It's almost like the algorithm's changing and they're not telling us, or something's just not being told. It's kind of weird. But in short, we have a new collection has been added to your credit report, and the score actually went up 2 points. And this is from Enhanced Recovery Service, Enhanced Recovery Collection Company, and this was for $73, and the score went up. Now, you got to be thinking, well, Calvin, I don't know, maybe it's just TransUnion, because sometimes they do weird stuff, or who knows, it could be Equifax, they had the data breach, maybe they're just trying to help people out. It was neither. It was Experian, and that's, if you ask me, that's my FICO's right hand. Okay. And you have, isn't, now we know basic credit things, right? Where if a new collection comes on your credit report, your score would, it would go down. That's something negative, right? And just like the opposite, we would assume would be true, but we saw in the previous example, sometimes the algorithm makes mistakes. And it's okay to say that. These are computers. And the problem is, no one is policing the computers. No one's checking this stuff. No one cares to check this stuff. And that's why a few regulators are now starting to shine the light on what these credit bureaus should be watching. And so again, I don't know how soon changes are going to be coming, but I know what you're thinking, Calvin. These are collections. Sometimes it pulls the score down, sometimes it improves the score. What's your point? Well, it's not just collections. Let's talk about increase. Now, a new inquiry. Now, this is March 11th. Again, different client, by the way. A new inquiry was added to your credit report. Added. Now, for those who don't know, inquiries, that's anytime you allow someone to run your credit. 98% of the time, you allow somebody to run your credit. And then, of course, we know a lot of people, they want to get inquiries removed and things of that sort. We don't remove inquiries just because of the tactics that are needed to try to remove it, end up causing issues later down the line. That's just based on my experience. Okay. In short, a new inquiry was added to your credit report, as you can see here, right? And the score actually went up 21 points. I mean, again, the algorithm is going to be wrong sometimes. Question though, how often will we have mistakes? These are dire mistakes, right? Now, granted, this doesn't normally happen. If this was the case, come on. How many times would you apply for a credit card just to get a free 21-point boost? Let's be real, right? And this is now you're probably like, well, Calvin, why would this piss me off? Well, because we know it's not right. Okay, it's not right. Tell us how to improve our score. Tell us what we need to do to follow a game plan, to follow an algorithm, to follow your rules, to follow the laws you make. And then that way, we won't be confused. Am I the only one that's trying to figure out what in the hell is going on? Right? Now you're probably thinking, well, Calvin, the score went up, so that's not that bad, right? Well, the score doesn't always go up. Let's talk about something simple. And let me go back to that. This was actually Equifax. This is Equifax as well. But either way, it says the balance on one of your accounts has decreased. This is paying down a credit card, right? You're paying it down, right? And the score goes down. It didn't, just so you know, they didn't pay it down to zero because sometimes, I don't know, it seems that's kind of funky too. When you pay a credit card down to zero, sometimes, we get some false things that happen with that. I don't know why that is either. But to pay down a credit card, to pay down an account, and your score goes down, if that was the case, we'll just max these cards out. We're only following the rules and regulations that the industry has made. But the industry is slowly starting to make changes. And like all the other changes, they're not telling everybody. And it's really starting to become irritating because you do things the right way, you follow it, right? You follow it. And then now all of a sudden, what you were taught is simply not working. I'll keep you guys posted on any other changes that I see. And but so far, I mean, it's kind of weird. Now, don't get me wrong. This doesn't happen all the time, but this is happening a lot more than I've ever seen before. And this was March 31st. So this was recent. I won't show you guys any outdated stuff just to try to get you guys to watch a video. This is real. Okay. Regardless of how you feel, this is real, guys. And first off, I'm a Windows Google guy. I said it to say I don't know nothing about no Photoshop. So now trust me, I wouldn't even waste your time. But again, if you've seen things like this happen on your personal credit report, you're not alone. I just want to put that out there. I see it for a lot of people. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, like it. If you want to share it, please get this information out there. Let people know that they're not going crazy because they may think they're doing something wrong. Who knows? But what I have seen, though, to kind of just put people at ease, over time, a couple days later, a week later, whatever. Normally, when things update again, sometimes they get that, those points back. Keywords. Sometimes it's not always like that. It's kind of weird how things work, But either way, I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I will see you all on the next video. Have a good one.